Good evening everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Guru. This is Ravi here and we are going to discuss today with PHP installation to our different systems. So like to install a PHP in our platform, what do we need the most? So the things are, we need a server, we do need a client, we do need a database, and we do need a PHP parser as well. So how to install this? So before going for installation, we are having widely used three operating systems are there, that is Linux, Windows, and Mac is there. So when we'll come with the server, so for server and client, what is a server and what is a client, we'll discuss this in a next or coming video. But for now, for server we need a Apache. For client, any web browser will be enough for now. Just know this one only. For database, we can integrate with any PHP can be integrated with any database, but we'll be using MySQL. And the PHP parser, obviously PHP we are going to use greater than the 7. Now on Linux it is known as LAMP, Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. I will give this link, I will give the installation link in my comment. Please go through that link and install it in a Linux. For Windows, we can install by using two of the open source softwares, XAMPP or WAMP. So XAMPP is a cross platform Apache, MySQL, Perl, and PHP. And WAMP is a Windows, Apache, MySQL, PHP. For MAP, it is MAMP, Mac, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. So XAMPP we can install either in Linux, Windows, or in Mac. As it suggests, it says, his name only says it is a cross platform Apache, MySQL, Perl, and PHP. WAMP executable files are only available for Windows. So if we are going with WAMP, we need to make it sure we are installing in a Windows, otherwise the executable files will not work. And for Mac, we'll go with MAP, or we'll go with the link which I will share you in my comment. If you like my videos, please do like and share. And if you guys will be having any issues or any queries, just comment on this video. I'll try to go through each and every comment, and I'll try to answer your queries. Thank you so much. We'll meet in next video. Most probably it will be on client and server.